It's Walmart time, guys. Let's go do some deal hunting. Looking for that 22 Magnum that was on clearance for a while back there. I bought some at $7.50, but I want to get a little bit better deal than that. She said she'd go in the back and look. She'd drop it down to $5 a box if I can take it all. So I'll help her out if she helps me out. Pick it up. Two different ones. Holy cow, what's all that?
These are 40s and 45s.
Are they a good deal on them?
These I can do 5 and they were $19.97. And these I can do 7 and they were $24.67.
I think I'll probably... How much for these?
They were $19.97. They're going to be 5.
$5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take them. What did you say on them?
7.
7. Can you do 5 on all of it?
Let me see. Yeah, it was zoomed.
Just sitting back there.
Right?
I'll give it that.
I didn't even know they were back there. Too.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, there's only 6 of those. So let's see if they'll let me. So if it goes down too far, then we have to have management approval.
Alright.
Hopefully it went. Yeah.
Okay, I'll take it all for $5.
Okay.
It's awesome. Hey guys, Shadowcat Chaser coming at you. Hey, I just wanted to finish this video up. As you guys can see in the in-store video, I cut a deal with the sporting goods manager on all this ammo. She was wanting $7 a box for this 45 auto, that PX1 Defender. And this stuff here was marked at $5, which I thought that was a real good deal. Considering 40 calibers, it's kind of expensive. And then the prize is the Winchester 22 mag at $5 a box. It was I bought some at $7.50 and I should have tried to get it down on them, but anyway, she had to go in the back and get all this stuff. I guess they've cleaned the mod out and put the stuff in Colossal's closet, and they done forgot about it until I went in there. But all in all, a pretty good deal. I'll give you the barcode bitches. There's the barcode for the Brass Max 170 grain. And you guys probably remember the barcode from the PDX Defender. There's the barcode for that. So there's still some of this stuff out there, guys. And here's the barcode for the 22 mag if anybody's interested in 22 Magnum. But yeah, it's a hell of a deal. Can't really beat it. There you go, guys. Here's the tag for you tag fags, ticket bitches, all that stuff. $5 a box. Ammo Mafia lives. So there you go, guys. That's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Keep unsubscribing. Keep hunting, hoarding, flipping, shooting. Do what you do. Come on, guys. Get out there and get some of this shit. So it's still out there. All you gotta do is look. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.